Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Tasya Zahrani from English Literature Class A, University of North Sumatra. On this occasion, I will explain about Pratt voice analysis. The title of my paper is The Difference in Pitch, Duration, and Intensity Between Native Speakers and Non-Native Speakers. Introduction. Pratt is a free scientific software or tools for speech in phonetic analysis using a computer. Pratt can analyze, synthesize, and manipulate speech and create high-quality pictures for your publication. Based on the internet, the main function of Pratt is to help us analyze speech. The software supports you to do speech analysis. You can recognize the spectrogram, pitch, formant, intensity analysis from chosen speech. It also supports labeling and segmentation, allow us to learn algorithm, and make it possible for us to see the graphic of the chosen speech and also do a speech manipulation. In this paper, I'll use two separate voices, native and non-native speakers, to do speech analysis. I identify its duration, pitch, and intensity using the Pratt application. Tutorial untuk memasukkan suara ke dalam aplikasi Pratt sebagai berikut. Pertama-tama, klik Open and read from file. Karena sebelumnya saya sudah memiliki suara, maka saya hanya akan memasukkan suara yang sudah saya punya ke dalam aplikasi Pratt. Saya melakukan hal yang sama untuk memasukkan sampel suara lainnya. Baiklah, setelah itu kita klik suara yang ingin kita analisis dengan klik View and Edit. Kemudian di sini kita blok suara dengan klik Cell untuk membuang suara yang tidak perlu. Lakukan hal yang sama untuk sampel suara lainnya. Klik View dan Edit. Lalu klik Cell. Lalu di sini ada menu Pitch. Untuk melihat pitch-nya, klik Show Pitch. Pitch adalah garis berwarna biru tersebut. Dan untuk mengetahui berapa pitch-nya, klik Get Pitch. Dan kamu akan mendapatkan hasil dari pitch suara tersebut yang nantinya akan kita analisis. Lakukan hal yang sama untuk sampel suara lainnya. Jika kita belum memiliki suara, kita bisa merecord suara kita dengan klik New, Record Mono Sound, and then record suara yang diinginkan. Hello everyone. Oke. Di sini beri nama untuk file dari sound tersebut. Lalu klik Save to List. Baiklah, itu tadi tutorial memasukkan suara ke dalam aplikasi Pratt dan juga merekam suara pada aplikasi Pratt. Next, material and method. For the data or sample in this paper, I use two sounds, namely the voice of the native speakers and voice of the non-native speakers. And I also choose two sentences as samples. The following is classification of the data that I will examine. First, sound. Native speaker with code NS or Google Assistant voice, female America. And then non-native speaker with code TZ, namely Tasya, student of University of North Sumatra, female Indonesia. Next word example. The first is be yourself, there's no one better. Next, opportunities don't happen you create them. I took native speaker data from the internet by downloading the audio pronunciation of the word, namely a female voice with an American accent. Be yourself, there's no one better. And also, opportunities don't happen, you create them. In MP3 format via web text to speak. Furthermore, for non-native speaker data, I recorded my own voice by reciting the same two sample sentence with native speaker data. Next, the sound collected to Pratt analysis folder and analyzed by using Pratt application. Next, result in table. As you can see, there's frequency, quantity, and intensity from the sample sound from native speaker and non-native speaker. And then result in screenshot. And the last one is result in diagram. As we can see in the data result, the frequency or pitch diagram of the native speaker is higher than that of the non-native speaker. Why? Because it is clear that English is the first language native speaker. You could say that they are used to and also familiar with pronouncing a sentence. Meanwhile, the native speaker pitch produced tends to be lower because English is a second language. Therefore, the sound produced is low. Unlike when pronouncing Indonesian, where the pitch produced can be said to be high because it is the language of non-native speaker. In both duration and intensity, the native speaker data and non-native speaker data are both higher. How did it happen? In my opinion, because the speed of pronunciation and also the intensity of each person is different. It's not measured whether he is native speaker or not. So I think that's quite reasonable. Next, conclusion. From the previous data analysis, we can conclude that there are different in pitch, duration, and intensity in speaking English between native speaker and non-native speakers. We also find different characteristics to the first language differences. First language plays a larger role in second language development because adult learners use their first language to help understand and integrate their second language learning. That's why the native speakers differ in pitch, duration, and intensity because they rely on their first language. As we all know, the Pratt application is highly helpful in conducting this analysis. If we fully understand or are familiar with how to use the Pratt application, it looks simple. But even so, fully understanding and becoming used to the Pratt application takes time, which is why this analysis isn't perfect because I'm still learning. But honestly, this application is very helpful for me as a beginner. I think that's all of my presentation. More or less, I apologize. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.